Hi, I'm Randy Neiswonger. Welcome to this episode of Community Beat. Today again, I have Kerri Clark. Kerri.
Hi, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me back.
Thank you for being back. Can you tell our audience a little bit about what you do here at Community Hospital?
Well, since last time I saw you,
Yes.
I had a role promotion. I am now the Director of Mission and Volunteers over the entire healthcare system. I travel between many sites, so I oversee our mission, our pastoral care departments, and our volunteer services.
Such important contributions to our organizations. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Of course. So, oftentimes we have employees that fall on hard times. We have other elements within our community healthcare system that we like to give back to folks as well. Community Connect, can you tell me a little bit about that?
Absolutely. So Community Connects Committee is essentially the committee that people turn to when they're having those times. They are the committee that supports not only our employees, but our surrounding community. And they do this through fundraisers and different drives that we have throughout the year. For example, the school supply drive that we brought back in 2023 and the Giving Tree that we have done annually, those are both sponsored by the Community Connects Committee. Giving Tree helps support our employees that might not be going through a great financial situation at the time and need help buying Christmas presents for their kids.
I understand there's been a 4-year pause to the committee and it's coming back online?
Yes. So the committees kind of fell off during COVID. There wasn't enough activity to get it really off the ground. So last year we started getting the ball rolling again, getting it back on its feet. And this year, actually in a couple weeks on March 29th, we're having our first fundraiser since before COVID.
Wonderful. That's wonderful. And what is the fundraiser?
The fundraiser is going to be, we're calling it Cookies and Carnations. People can buy egg-shaped Easter-themed cookies and a carnation for $5 outside the cafeteria starting at 7:30 a.m. It's a really good deal. The cookies are a really decent size. They're fresh from Calumet Bakery. And we tried this at the other sites for Valentine's Day, and both sites sold out of all their cookies and carnations within an hour.
Wow.
So if you want some of the goodies, get down there quick.
Well, and it's important that people know what their money is going towards,
Yes.
right? It's going to help each other, our colleagues, our friends, the people that they work elbow to elbow with sometimes.
Exactly. So all of these funds go back to what we call the catastrophic fund. And it's the place that employees can turn to when life happens, just hard times, and you need help, just a little extra support. Employees can apply. We have the application available on the intranet. They submit that directly to me. It's very confidential, and we support them monetary-wise as much as we're able to.
Yeah, and I know we can't do everything for everybody, but the little contributions go a long way.
They really, really do. Yeah. And like I said, we haven't had a fundraiser for the fund in over 4 years, so right now, every little bit just goes right back to our fellow employees.
There's a form online, fill it out, it goes to you, and then you guys review it.
Yes.
Well, on behalf of all the employees, that may need these funds in unfortunate situations, I thank you and the committee for doing what you do.
Absolutely.
Putting those fundraisers together so that we can fund the fund in the event that something happens. God forbid that is the case, but sometimes you never know what happens. Life does happen from time to time. So Kerri, thank you for joining me.
Absolutely, thank you for having me.
And we'll see you guys next time on Community Beat.